Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install presets in Lightroom CC. Please make sure your Lightroom is up to date before proceeding. Firstly, you'll need to locate where your presets have been downloaded. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are using a MacBook, so the files would be in my Downloads folder. Make sure to unzip the folder before proceeding with the next steps. You can now proceed to launch Lightroom CC. Once in Lightroom, locate the Presets panel on the right-hand side and click on that. Please do note, as Adobe updates Lightroom on a regular basis, the Presets panel might move around and not be exactly in the same place as in this video. The icon, however, usually remains the same, so it should be easy to locate. Make sure the Yours section under Presets is selected and click on the three dots. Then select Import Presets. A Finder window will open from where you will need to locate the unzipped downloaded presets. Once you found the folder, open it and then open Desktop XMP. Select all the preset files within the folder and click on Import. You have now successfully installed the presets and can now proceed to use them. If you have purchased more than one preset pack or the master collection, you can repeat the steps for each collection. To apply the presets, simply look for the collection name in the Presets panel, followed by the preset bay, and click on the desired filter. You can increase or decrease the intensity of a look after clicking on a desired preset. This option is only available in the latest versions of Lightroom CC. And there you have it! You have successfully installed and applied the presets. Remember to make them your own and tweak them as desired. That's all from us today. Till next time.